When we opened the doors and people started coming in, they just all marveled at the beauty of the office design. And to date, we're doing better than we ever did. Well, McNelly Optical was started in 1929. Now, in the 60s, Mr. McNelly died, and it was taken over by another person who had worked there from the day he opened up. And she was the owner at the time that I purchased the company in 1979. And we've been there ever since. My thinking at this point is to redo the stores to bring them up to date with today's world and see if we can't make another couple generations happy. Alan and his brother Richard were twins. His professionalism, their professionalism I should say, and the suggestions that they made the first time we did a store turned out to be absolutely spot on, and the place was beautiful when it was finished. So that, of course, when I needed to have the second store, actually it was a third store at that time, opened up, iDesigns came right to the front. You know, the experience that I had had with them before certainly made it worthwhile to have them come in again. The whole operation, it's an enormous operation. God knows how many millions of dollars of equipment are back there. People that work here are warm, they're all knowledgeable, and they can't try to do enough to help you. And I'm still overwhelmed, but I'm overwhelmed in a different way. The options that we have to enhance the looks of our stores are just innumerable. Call them up and make an appointment. Let them help you decide whether you should work with them. You're not obligated to buy anything, to come look at the showroom. But once you look at the showroom, you're going to want to buy from them because there's nothing else like it that I've seen.